In this legal series, I would like to talk about gender parity in India. Gender parity, we know it well, but also the health have been worded in many cases, and also the boys have been given a much importance in India. Education, health, and development, and economic boost in everything, and those have to be considered properly. A certain sector of the women only have got developed. Not all the women have got developed. The certain sector of the women developed are not helping others also, underdeveloped women also. They have got their own knowledge, they develop themselves, they are posting up others also, they can do anything like that. This sector, this the developed sector of the women has to help the developing sector of the women because the gender parity is still existing in India. Despite the government has announced a 33% reservation to the women, and these are needed nowadays. They need skills, they need education, they need such a there's also working training also. The women or girls, they need it. They have to be helped and adjusted by the gender, which means the men also. So these women and girls have to be developed without any priority given. So the priority has to be given to the women only, so that only they can develop themselves. If they develop, the home will develop. If the home will develop, automatically the country will develop. The social responsibility has to be fixed to the mind of the woman and girl. That should be a responsibility. Not only house and individual responsibility, the social responsibility has to be fixed. Also, leadership quality has to be given to the women and girls. They have to be trained in the leadership qualities. They need not to be supported. They have to be trained. By training them, also they can develop themselves. The gender parity can be removed. They will develop themselves. Self-reliance is very important. And for that, women are fitted or not, that we have to study. Existing gender parity in rural areas in India have to be removed. The developed responsibility, the women have to help us also the developing sector of their own gender. It is very necessary. So the gender parity as early as possible has to be removed from India. When India becomes in the early World Cup, which means in really a much developed nation in the world, definitely the participation of the women will be very helpful that we have to do. Thank you.